Real estate math, how to compute interest, problem number 7. In this tutorial, we will describe how to compute interest. Alright, for problem number 7, George has a home improvement loan of $10,000 on which he makes quarterly interest payments of $183.75. What annual rate of interest does he pay? Okay, so for this problem, the goal is to determine the interest rate. And once again, we can use the equation principal times rate times time equals interest. And so since we're going to actually solve for the rate, we want to keep the rate on the left side of the equal sign. So let's represent the principal with the variable p, and we're going to represent the rate with the variable r, and also the time with the value t, and interest with variable I. What we want to do is keep the r on the left side of the equal sign. So we already have the I on the right side, and so what we need to do is move the principal and the time over to the right. Since we're dealing with multiplication, it would be a division, and that's why we already have I there. So we're going to have P times time. So the equation is R equals I over P times T. Alright, so what we want to do next is let's look in the problem and try to see what's given. Alright, so right away we have he made interest payments of $183.75. So we'll go ahead and plug that value in. So it's $183.75 represents the I. Alright, for the principal, George has a home improvement loan of $10,000. And that represents the principal amount. So we'll put that, or replace the P with $10,000. Okay, so the time factor, they say that George has a home improvement loan of $10,000 on which he makes quarterly interest payments. So keyword is quarterly. So what we want to do, we know that every quarter represents 3 months in a year, and a year represents 12 months. And so we have 3 divided by 12, and what that produces is a value of 0.25. And so for the time factor, we're going to replace t with the value 0.25. Alright, we continue. We're still solving for R because R represents the rate. And so we have $183.75 as the numerator. And for the denominator, we'll go ahead and multiply that out. We have 10,000 times 0.25. And that gives us a value of 2,500. So all we have to do next is take 183.75 and divide it by 2,500. And this gives us a value of 0.0735. Now, we want to also convert that to a percentage, but this represents a decimal representation. So what we want to do is we'll take the same value, 0.0735, and multiply it by 100. And so this will give us a value of 7.35. And what that says is that the rate is 7.35%. And this is what we wanted to show. This puts us in a position for my next tutorial where we describe how to compute the interest problem number 8. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also feel free to join us here at the Computing Sector. There will be more videos and tutorials coming soon. Thanks.